everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday we were at IKEA to buy my new makeup station because the makeup station that I was using before was just temporary. It was just this drawer. Let me show you guys what you can find at IKEA. Someone is going to IKEA. What can you say, mister? Hi guys, we're going to IKEA.
No comment.
Diba, wiener? Wiener. I just said my wiener. You need to get the push cart, right? Where is it?
They borrow.
What can you say?
No comment.
I don't want to talk, guys. I don't know why. But we're here to buy my makeup station. So yeah, come on and join us. This is like an IKEA tour. We're in IKEA Stavanger. Stavanger. Room tour, guys. This is my bedroom. It's nice, right? Are you buying that now?
You can buy that if you want.
It's cool, right? It's like for photo shoot.
Well, I was thinking for the bedroom, if anything.
Hey sir, you can take pictures here. It's not allowed. Alright guys, we're done with my bedroom tour. It's my bedroom. In IKEA guys, you can find almost everything that you need in your house. Like sofa. Yan. Kailangan mo ba yan? Sofa. Your lap is there. Yeah, I need that. Almost like this. Ayan guys, merong mga organizers. And this is the disorganizer.
You probably need some kind of lighting as well.
What do you think of the chair?
The chair.
So yeah, that's what I need. This is what we're getting. Yeah, like that.
Is this how you
That's
want?
what I'm looking for.
Two, like this?
Yeah.
Okay, then a below, going to below. If we like it.
Alright guys, we found the one that I'm looking for. This, it's not actually that one, bigger than that, but this one we're getting. Alright,
No more stool.
okay, I need to find a chair as well.
As well.
Alright guys, I found my chair. Which one I'm getting? This. Femten minuter. Vet ikke. Guys, welcome to my kitchen. Charot. It's not really like we need it. It's not really like we need it. You like it? Then you can get it. It's only 99.
Which one do you prefer if you would like?
finally, the moment that I have been waiting for. This is now my new makeup station. I'm so happy with my new makeup station, you know. That's kind of like bucket list. What? Bucket list? Yep, that's it. I hope you had fun watching my video. And if you like it, click the thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye!